Hi, it's again me, Ivan, forest grandfather. Today is my day off and I came here after a night shift. I love spending my free time here in the forest. It helps me to rest, recharge and breathe. So now let's go for a walk together. It's not a forest perfume, just tick spray. Before I walk in the forest, I always spray myself because ticks can be dangerous and it's better to protect myself. This forest near my house helps me recharge after work and escape from burnout. It's peaceful, green and full of life. Only look at this. This place looks like a grass ocean. I really love these textures. They are like waves on the forest floor. And you have just stop and look. I found it. I really love mushrooms. In future videos, I'll tell you more about different types, names, and how you can find and use them. Whoa, I can't believe this. 2 wild deer just here in front of me. This is why I love walking in the forest. So now let's make some tea. I always bring a little kettle with me. It's my small forest ritual. Simple and peaceful. I live in Poland now. I came here from Ukraine because of the war, and my hometown is under occupation, so I had to leave. Now I work at a factory in 3 shifts. It's hard, but this forest near my house gives me peace. I want to change my life, and that's why I learn English, and that's why I make these videos. I'm still learning, but music sounds good here, right? I'm using stevia. Just a hot cup of tea. The sound of trees and birds and singing birds. Yeah, I like this. Thank you for your joining me today. Even if it's just one person watching, it means a lot to me. You were here with me in this forest, and I really feel that. If you like simple forest life and simple English, subscribe and stay with me. Your time here means a lot to me. See you soon. So, let's go for a walk together. If it's just one person. I found it, and I really love mushrooms. In the future videos, I'll tell you more.
What?
More. I found it, and I really love mushrooms. In the future videos, I found it. I really love mushrooms. In the future.
Do it!
Only look at this. I found it. I really love mushrooms. Sugar.
Sorry.